You are watching one of the videos in our series of instructional videos on how to assemble a building kit. Click the link in the description below to purchase your own building in a box.
When installing the insulation, measure from the top of the truss to the bottom of the treated base plate. Allow 3 extra inches to make sure that the insulation reaches from the bottom of the base plate to wrap over the first roof purlin. This will seal any gaps between the sidewall metal and roof metal. A good pair of tin snips works great for cutting, but a knife and a straight edge will work as well. Pre-cut all the pieces you will need for the sidewalls. Starting flush with the bottom of the base plate, make sure the insulation breaks halfway on the stud before stapling. Work your way up the stud, making sure to keep it pulled tight and lined up with the center of the stud. Wrap the top over the roof purlin and staple. Staples are cheap, so don't be shy. When moving to your next sheet, make sure the tape overlaps your previous sheet. Once it is stapled into place and pulled tight, remove the tape backing and stick the 2 pieces together. When insulating the end walls, make sure the sheets are cut long enough to wrap over the top of the purlins. When insulating the roof, run a full row down the length of the building, making sure that the overlaps are on a purlin. End wall insulation should overlap the roof insulation.